In this video, we will compare Next.js versus Angular. Next.js and Angular are both powerful tools in modern web development. However, they cater to different development needs and approaches. Next.js is a great framework that focuses on building high-performance dynamic web applications. It excels in features like server-side rendering, static site generation, and optimizing routing. Next.js is known for its simplicity, scalability, and integration with the React ecosystem, making it ideal for developers who prefer flexible and modern JavaScript environments. It's perfect for SEO-focused applications, though whose also require fast page loading and automatic code splitting. On the other hand, Angular is a comprehensive, opinionated platform for building large-scale feature-rich applications. Developed by Google, Angular focuses on a robust solution which focuses on two-way data binding, dependency injection, and modular architecture. It makes it ideal for building complex enterprise-level applications. Angular provides a toolkit for both front-end and back-end development, including powerful CLI routing, form handling, and state management. It has a steep learning curve compared to Next.js due to its extensive use of TypeScript and a more opinionated structure, but it offers strong tooling and built-in functionalities. In summary, Next.js is a lightweight, flexible framework that integrates seamlessly with React and is perfect for modern, high-performance applications, whereas Angular, on the other hand, is a fully-fledged framework for building complex enterprise-scale applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.